Good morning, guys. We're in the car. It's, do you ever, like, think that you have all of your Christmas shopping done, and then, BAM! You remember that a person exists? And, like, you've gone to such a great extent to have gotten, like, literally everyone else something. And now you're kind of like, oh, if I don't give that person something, then I'm a huge asshole, and I need to get my shit together. And I remember that a family member existed, and it's a bummer because I love this family member. I don't know why I forgot about them, but suddenly I was just like, oh yeah, my extended family, like my aunts, my uncles, my, like, things like that. I'm going to go, not you, me. I am driving. But I should have bought my monopod. I'm trying to keep people from seeing that it's supposed to start snowing in like an hour, and the area that I live in doesn't deal with snow very well. So we'll see what this is gonna be like, and then we have to hit the road tomorrow. We're gonna do the mad dash of Christmas at this point. Our first stop for Christmas will be 5 hours away. That's right, I said 5 hours. Oh my good Lord, sweet baby Jesus. Like, I really want to go straight. I really want to go straight. I maybe just need to take the long way and go right, but I don't want to. I really don't want to. I am about to give up. Please. There are so many people out. So I figure I've got like an hour to do this before I like risk places closing. And when I don't know what to get someone, I just get them. If you're above the legal drinking age, you get wine. Okay, all right, well, I'll hit you guys up later. Guess who just rolled up at the darn Hobby Lobby? If your guess is me, that's the correct guess, because that's where we're at. We went and got our gifts, and now I'm gonna go look for some synthetic fabric dye, and let's just wish me luck, guys. Bye. I am waiting to hear from my friend about whether or not she wants to do Christmas gifts tonight. She's not looking at her phone. I said if she wanted to, that we could. You know, and he's like, oh, you guys can come over, and I would make dinner. And it's been like an hour and I haven't heard back from her. And if she's gonna come over and they're gonna make dinner, then I need to go to a grocery store and like pick up some stuff to make a dinner. Like, other than the stuff that we were gonna, you know, husband and I were just gonna take some pulled chuck roast and some mushrooms and stuff it in a poblano and cover it in cheese and call it done. But that's apparently not. I don't know what we're doing. I don't have sage. I could do like braised chicken with apples and sage. I do have some chicken thighs, and these look like chicken thighs, and I could get them out and get them in like thawed in some cool water like real quick. You know what I miss having? A sous vide. We bought a sous vide like before we got married, and we were going to because we did all the catering for the wedding ourselves, and that included me like cooking enough chicken breast for 30 people in sous vide while I was also getting ready for a wedding. And then we didn't have it by the time we had like all of our gifts and like crud in the car. We did not have enough room to take the sous vide setup. is about to start playing some Rockets music. Back out of this. I should just put it away. I'll be back. Okay, this is gonna be wild. So down to the basement we go. We must perform a test. Guess why we went to Hobby Lobby? Oh, I'm so sore. I am so sorry. Guess why we went to Hobby Lobby? Was your guess to purchase synthetic dye? It should have been. If it was, I'm proud of you. If it wasn't, what's wrong with you? Did you think we would forget? So what's going to happen now is, apparently the synthetic dye is not good for the washing machine. I'm thinking that the universe is telling me that this is not something that should be done. It doesn't fit in the pot! Alright. Alright, next step. Come on. I was gonna totally take this into the backyard. It's snowing and we're supposed to get like a polar vortex, and I was totally going to build a fire and old lady dye this comforter for everyone. That was kind of the plan. And it won't fit in the pot. Can I do this in the washing machine? Due to the complexity of dyeing synthetics, you must use the stovetop method. Well, as we can tell, I have the biggest pot possible. I need a cauldron. I don't have anything else that could work with this, if we're going to be completely honest. Like, I was literally going to set this over some coals and let this boil to dye this blanket. Now I have so much dye. I have 3 different bottles of dye now. I have 2 bottles of synthetic dye and a bottle of cotton and wool dye, and all to dye this comforter. Because, like, I can't put if it takes up the whole thing, I need a vat. Because, like, trying to shove this whole thing in here, sorry, I'm too dark now. Trying to shove this thing in here would be way too much. Like, whatever dye I had in there would just, like, spill over, like, the volume. So with that in mind, I suppose we give up on dyeing this blanket for the kotatsu, and this blanket will just remain its current color and just be put on the kotatsu anyways, because I guess that's what we're doing now. It was almost like I don't remember where I put my phone, but I do. I remember where I put my phone. because I was just using it. Hi, Layla. What are you doing? I need to be careful to not trip and fall. But I don't want a white blanket on the kotatsu. I want a black blanket for the kotatsu. So the kotatsu is actually where I spend a good chunk of time. I watch some YouTube here. This is where the Switch lives. I play some video games. It's also where my tarot deck is. I am wearing shorts. There are shorts. I have some snacks. Step 1 before we apply the blanket. Christmas cards that I didn't send out. Plug in kotatsu. There's like a weird cord. I believe this might charge my iPad. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, the kotatsu is already turned on. Whoopsie! Those are for Christmas lights. Oh, right into the space heater. No! Why? And here is how the kotatsu works. So there's a top. And there's, here's a solid top that I put on. And this guy needs some TLC. When I originally built him, I decided I wasn't gonna stain him until I had lived with him for a little while to kind of see like what kind of stain I wanted. Here is a heating element that I purchased off of Amazon. And I need to like clip this cord up there. I maybe didn't think about how I wanted to do this quite correctly. Are you gonna light up, my friend? I don't think I have him. There he goes. I don't have him turned up very high. This is the first time he's been turned on since spring of 2022. Ouch. So then what we'll do is we'll take our blanket and we'll try and center it on top of our kotatsu. And then we'll take our top again. So then this is what it looks like when it's all put together in the natural light. It's a super cozy, nice, warm place to sit and watch TV, to study, to game, all of those super fun things. Especially on days like today, where it's supposed to get really cold and it's supposed to snow. Kotatsu. Oh my goodness, we're on an adventure. Can I get my glove back on? No, I'm trapped. See how long it takes for me to get cold out here. I mean, I said that I bundled up, but not really. I do have to say, in our area, it doesn't usually snow in December. So I don't think I've ever got to see like the Christmas decorations up while it was snowing before. the bushes. My current goal is to try and get some of this off before it has a chance to freeze over the night. That's really what I'm going to work on. So down into the garage we go. I can no longer tell if like what's coming down is from whoa, danger space. I can't tell if what's coming down is from just like powder that's on buildings. Go ahead and leave ourselves a little gap. I thought I had some salt, and now I don't think I do. So I think it's just gonna be me and my friend, the weird snow shovel, this aluminum scoop. I think that's the best that we have for a snow shovel. And I thought I had salt, but I guess I used it all last year, and I haven't bothered to get any more. Oh my god. I don't know where to put my hat. Oh, my face is red. Hello and welcome to the Polar Vortex. Hello, Layla. Hi. Yeah? Tell everyone how badly you want to go outside and play. It's pretty bad, isn't it? It's pretty bad. She wants it so bad. But she doesn't have any boots, and I don't think that would be a good idea. Here it is. Here it is in its glory. I just went outside and I cleared off the steps to the front and the back and down to the garage. I haven't even had coffee. So we're gonna do that now. We're gonna have some coffee. Oh, man. The Keurig wants more water. Okay. I'm also gonna, while I'm still in warm clothes and while I'm thawing, I am going to upload the vlog from yesterday. Sad. My goodness. Why am I so dramatic? Why am I not showing my face? I cannot one-handed AirPods. I thought I had this skill. I thought I could do it. I cannot. I just want to put my AirPods away. Actually, like, I'm already, like, getting to sweaty. I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt, a hoodie, and then the sweater over the top of it. The first thing that gets cold are my fingers. Despite the gloves, like, the first thing, which that makes sense, like, least amount of blood flow. Alright, coffee, edit, and then I'll be back. If anyone's wondering, I'm gonna power through this real quick. I'm just gonna attach this onto the last bit so you guys can see what the snow looks like in the morning, for those of you who are excited about snow. We didn't get much. I think we got 3 inches, which I half cleared the sidewalks last night, and then I cleared them again today, and it's all powder. And I just wanted to get up and get it taken care of before I got in the shower and started getting ready for the day. Like, why go through all that nonsense? But, I'll give you guys an update on other stuff later. Bye.